Good morning, my dear students. Here it is Professor Mehboob Anjan from Civil Engineering Department. This year, for this semester, I am handling Highway Engineering subject for you guys. And let us have a brief look on your syllabus copy here. The subject code it is 18CV56. The subject name it is Highway Engineering. You are having internal marks of 40. Again, that 40 has been divided into 30 plus 10, 30 for the internals, 10 for the assignments. This you are going to have the 3 internals, internal 1, 2 and 3, and average of 3 internals we are going to consider for this CIE marks. Okay, then SEE marks means it is semester end examination, that is your university examination, that is for 60 marks. Means you are going to conduct with 100 marks, that has been converted for 60. The 60 plus 40 it is out of 100 marks. It is clear. We'll study what is the course learning objectives. This course tells that gain knowledge of different modes of transportation system and a history, development of highways and the organization association with research and development of the same in India. This means we are studying in this subject what are the different modes of transportation systems. What are the different types of transportation systems, that is roadways, railways, airways, waterways, all those things, different systems are that we are going to study here. And the history, how the transportation system has been developed, that we are studying here, history. And the development of highways, where we are in the beginning it was just a normal roads, from that it has grown up to the highways. Okay, how it has been developed, that we are studying here. And organizations associated means what are the bodies which are playing the role in the behind this highways or this transportation system. And with research and development of the same in India, means what are the research has been carried out in a highway engineering, and also the development, what are the developments are going on in India. This is one core subjective. The second is understand the highway planning and development considering the essential criteria. Means planning, understanding highway planning and the development consideration in the essential criteria, means planning, how to do the planning of the highway and how the development has been taking place, means that comes under designing and all those things. And here it has mentioned that engineering and financial aspect, regulation and policies, socio-economic impact, means what are the impact of this highway planning on these different categories. Okay, next is get insight of to different aspects of geometric design elements, means geometric design having some aspects, we are going to study on those aspects. And understand the pavement and its components, pavement consideration activities, we are studying about different types of pavement, the components of pavement, that is one more thing. And they gain the skills of evaluating the objectives economy by BC and PYIR methods, and also introducing the students to highway financial concepts. So these things also we are going to study here. Okay, so yeah, we are having 5 different modules here. In the module 1, it consists of principal transportation engineering, means what are the importance of transportation, modes of transportation, all those things. Then highway development and planning, means how it has been developed, so that we are studying here. And highway alignment and surveys. The next model is highway geometric design of horizontal alignment elements. This is we are going to study the different elements of the highways, so on the finance aspects which is to be considered in the design and horizontal alignment of the highway. Next, the third module, the pavement materials. To construct a pavement, what are the different materials which will be there, and we are studying about that. And there are different courses for that roads, that is subbrigade, the sub base, and all those things, carriageway, and these things we are studying in the pavement materials. And pavement materials, here we are studying the materials which are being used, and pavement construction. Here we are studying the different type of pavements. Okay. And also highway drainage and highway economics. These things we are studying in the module number 5. We are going to have the total 20 questions out of 20. No, you are going to have 10 full questions. Out of 10, you will have to have answer 5 questions with each question from each module. And the textbooks you should refer is S.K. Khanna and Justo. And this is a very good book as compared to others. These are you can refer for other different models. Okay. S.K. Khanna and Justo. Khanna and Justo is having everything in that textbook. You refer this one. Okay. These are reference books. Clear? So in the next video lecture, we'll start with the first module. Okay.